Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. I love this time of year because the colors are so beautiful. You've got daylilies, zinnias, dahlias, there's your herbs that are flowering, hydrangeas. It's just a beautiful time of year to really get color in a bouquet. So I'm going to do a sweet little nosegay. I picked all these flowers from my garden. I am using daylilies, and just like it says, the daylilies go in a day. So if you do end up doing some kind of garden bouquet and you want to use beautiful daylilies and get that bright, yummy yellow color into your bouquet, you're going to have to pick them and arrange it the day off because it's not going to last overnight. But I've got my daylilies, some zinnias, I got some lavender, and then I have these leftover allium, allium bulbs. So these are the seeds that are left behind after the alliums. I thought it'd be like really cute to give it some kind of fun effect for the nosegay itself. I'm also going to use a little bit of lily grass that I've been using in my arrangements because I have some left over. And I have a little bit of rosemary in there. So if you want a real fragrant bouquet, throw in some herbs. My goodness, the whole place smells so good when I was arranging this with the lavender and the rosemary. I'm going to start with my focal flower, of course, the daylily here, and then I've got these like snowball hydrangeas, I think they are. They're not quite their fullest, but it's got a beautiful lime green color to it. I think really complements these bright colors. And I'm just going to let nature kind of work its way around. Putting in my lavender, some of the zinnias, just so it looks like a sweet little nosegay, hand gathered bouquet that you just picked from the garden, which ironically I did just pick it from the garden. And if you do pick the flowers from your garden, you do want to give them a moment to maybe sit in the garage or give them a good shake. I did have a few little friends follow me inside on the bouquets. And you just want to make sure that any little buggies are out of there. They're not going to start crawling on your hand as you carry the bouquet. So I worked the little allium frames right into the center, kind of give it a little pop of something happening in it. I think it would look cute without it as well. It actually reminds me of the 4th of July, like fireworks coming out of the bouquet. So just a little something interesting. And if you do use this as a bouquet to carry down the aisle or for an event, it would be perfect to also just set it in the vase if you have a reception afterwards. You could use it to decorate the tables too. So it could be multifunctional. Or you could just decorate your tables with this. You can make the little bouquet in your hand, drop them right into a sweet little vase, and then you've got a touch of summer on each table. So it's just a real fun bouquet to get creative with. Use what you've got outside. I didn't work in my dahlias. The stems were too short on them to use in the bouquet, but dahlias are beautiful this time of year. I'm going to use a little bit of lily grass to give it just a bit more interest to go along with the little firecracker alliums that are coming out of there. And it's very similar to the lily bouquet. Actually, it would be a nice complement if you had a lily bouquet like the one in the background for the bridal bouquet, and then some bright colored little hand-tied nosegays for the bridesmaids. Just be a really cute wedding. Once that's all gathered, I'm just going to give it a tight twist with a chenille stem, and then you can just cut about a hand's length down, and this can sit in water until you use it. But again, if you use those daylilies, you're going to want to use it the day of. Otherwise, your lilies are just not going to last that long. You can give it a cute bow, or you could just wrap some wax floral tape around it, and there you go. A bright colored, sweet little nosegay for the summer. Thank you so much for watching.